Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm on a Pokemon streak now, so I just got Astral Radiance from a store. This is the brand new Astral Radiance, and I can't wait to see what we pull. Let's get started. Okay, so let me open them. I want to damage the cards. Okay, we got 3-pack box. Astral Radiance. Put the pack right here. I saw this wonderful coin. Wait, oh wait, there's this Sylveon card. I'll put that over there. Wait, this is a card. There's this wonderful Charizard coin. Oh wait, gold Charizard coin. And then the box. Okay, let's get ready with the first pack. I think we'll do this one first. This is my first time opening Astral Radiance packs. I haven't opened a pack in a while. Wait, I think I got it? Yeah, I got it. Okay, code card over there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh, what is that? Okay, looking good front. We got a V-Star card. Nice. It's my second one. I have the coin. Okay. This card looks like a hippo. Energy Lotto. Whoa. Saw this one in the front. Bonita, one of my favorites. And Glaceon. Nice. Let's put these over here. What's up? Okay, this pack. I haven't opened these in a while. Wait. My mom helped me open these 2 packs, so I won't have to struggle. But let's go. Let's get started. Open this. Okay, that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Fire energy. 4. Snow Choi. Scyther. I like Scyther. Voltorb. Whoa! This is my first time getting one of these. Abmasnow. Oh my gosh. And Rapidash. Oh. Whoa, Mom, can you pass me a sleeve, please? Oh. Whoa, this is cool. Ariel? I'll be right back. My mom got me a sleeve. Oh my god. This is my first time getting a card like this. A full art, I think. No, not. I think a full art. I don't know. It's a single strike too. Whoa. It's cool, okay? Next pack. Last pack. Who's ready? Ooh, I see Eevee. I see Eevee too. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Front. Okay. Blue energy. Okay. Eevee. Nice. I messed that one up. Scyther. This one and Glaceon. Another Glaceon. Well, I hope you guys like my video. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.